Hello everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you download statement on your Wise account. So firstly, log into your Wise account. So once you have logged into your Wise account, on your left side panel here, you'll have an option called Manage. So click on Manage. So once you click on Manage, scroll down and you'll see an option called Statements and Reports. So click on Statements and Report, click on it. So here, what you have to do is you just have to select the the account that you the balance or the statement for the account that you wish to download. So select that, and then you can select the date range where from which period do you need the statement for, and then the file format, whether you want it in a PDF or what. And then all you have to do is click on download. So when you click on download, it's going to ask for your password. That's just for a verification process. So you can just enter your password, and once you're done with that, yep, and all you have to do is just click on enter and it's going to download your statement. So that's pretty much what it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.